Come in. Hey,
Hi.
Dr. Jacobs.
Hi, Dr. Parra. Do you have a minute?
Yes, of course. Coming
I
in.
wanted to discuss with you. I was on a call with Shippy Express while you were in your Zoom call,
Oh, okay.
and they want us to analyze the revenue and profit margin using a subset of their transactions that belong to one of their sales representatives. And so they've requested that we also use a cloud-based solution to collaborate in real time using spreadsheet functions to summarize this information.
Wonderful. And so what kind of format are they giving us?
Right. And so the format is extracted in a way that requires the connection of relational data contained in separate sheets.
So what are the deliverables after all?
So we need to provide them an executive summary and all the visualizations. So it'll be your job to put that together.
How about we just give it to the interns?
Sure.
Hey, did you hear that, guys? Have you met all of our interns already?
I haven't, no.
Okay, well, here they are.
Oh, hi, everyone.
Hello, hello. This is Dr. Jacobs.
So I have a project for all of you.
Okay, that would be great. So I think that what we can do is provide our interns a template on a spreadsheet so that they would be able to compile all of this information and generate the descriptive statistics and visualizations that we will need to include in our executive report. And what we can also do is provide them with questions that will guide the analysis as we go along. We might as well also provide them with some videos that they can follow along.
Great. I'll see you all in the training. And if you have any questions, you can ask your professor.
Good luck to you all.